Hi, I'm Dr. Joseph Riggio, and we want to talk with you a little bit today about a program that we're going to be running called our PSP webinar program. This is about how to sell professionally. We're looking for people who are really committed to becoming better salespeople. Whether you're a salesperson now, your customer service, you work with clients to develop agendas for them, you're doing architecture for them in terms of designing what kind of services and products to deliver. In any case, whether you're persuading or influencing clients, trying to be better at helping your company work with clients more effectively and increase the sales, these webinar programs will take you much, much further than you are today in developing the ability to do that well. Henrik, I'd like to invite you to share a little bit more information about what we'll be doing and how we'll be doing it in those programs.
The way we intend to structure these webinars is that every month we will have a theme, and then we will start out by sharing you some inspiration and information about that theme. And then there will also be time for you to actually exchange information and ideas with other participants, and of course ask questions in relation to the topic. So it will be not only a lecture, it will actually be really an interactive event, because we believe that it's really in the interaction that learning happens most effectively.
Right. So I think that understanding the experiential nature of how we'll run webinars is really important to you, especially if you've done online training already. It's very different from sitting in front of a video screen and hearing somebody speak at you like we are today. Instead, you'll be with us live, and we'll be able to ask questions of you and provoke some answers from you, as well as have you ask us questions and provoke answers from us. We'll be able to interact as a group together, and you'll have the live experience, very, very similar, by the way, to sitting in a room with us. And we're going to make this something that's also very tailored and very specific to the topics and to the items that you need as a professional to be more effective in your sales skills, whether that's about how to approach people and ask high quality questions, whether you're trying to understand how to gather information that's relevant to the solution you want to provide, how to present those solutions well, how to use technology in some cases so that you can be effective in delivering the presentations that you develop. We'll look at these topics in depth and in detail in the webinars, and we'll spend a full year with you if you like. And you can attend all our webinars or individual webinars, depending on what your specific needs are. You can do this individually as a salesperson or as a team together. If you're a sales manager, we're happy to speak with you about how you can bring your team on, and we can provide virtual training for them through our webinar program. We look forward to this. And Henrik, I want to thank you for being here and sharing this with our customers today, and ask if there's anything else you'd like to add that I haven't remembered to put in.
I think that there's only one thing, and that's really that I think also what we would like to offer you is that you can bring in specific client cases. If there are some cases where you for one or the other reason want to either move the project faster, or you have a sense that you're stuck, then I think that could also be a really good opportunity to get some online advice, coaching, mentoring, to really help you accelerate those specific projects, because we believe that it would not only be you who would benefit from this, because listening to a specific case or concrete case often is really inspiring for other people, because even though it's not their client, they can learn from it, because again, a client is a client is a client.
Right. Very similar, of course, to the way that you'd get high quality master's or doctoral level training at a business school like Harvard Business School or one of the other top schools in the world, is case studies and the opportunity to share in the insights that you get from looking at real cases with real people. Thanks, Henrik.